Hi friends, if you wish to make a successful news blog website, you need a wonderful theme for that. In this video, I have a great WordPress theme called Jocks, and Jocks is a professional WordPress news and magazine WordPress theme. This is Zox News, and this is really a wonderful theme for news and magazine website, and this theme has been developed by WP Themes, and they are power elite authors, and this theme is very good catch for a news website or magazine website, and even you can use this theme as for your personal blog website. And the theme has a wonderful feature. This is MP-ready theme, and this is going to give an extra edge to your news or magazine website. So if it is MP-ready, it is going to be going to load very fast on the mobile devices and handheld devices. So it is a additional feature, and it is of course fully responsive, and it has multiple plugins bundled in the theme itself, and it also supports the WooCommerce, so you can use this theme for e-commerce activities as well. It has featured layouts and all such things here. So this is going to be a wonderful catch for your news or magazine website. And in this video we are going to install the Zox News WordPress theme, and we will also import the demo content and preview the theme options. And if we talk about the demo website, this is the demo website of Zox WordPress theme, and it is really wonderful and having very stunning and clear look, and it serves the purpose, and it is having a very modern type look, and it is presenting a professional website in fact, and it has this underline feature which attracted me more, and the social widgets has been given in the left panel, and the sticky right sidebar is here, and it gets stick when the scroll is moving down, and the comment section and continue reading, load more options is here. So this is good, and trending has been given, and the footer is also very clear and stunning. So this is the news page of this demo website, and the menu is also very attractive, and it has mega menu feature as well, and this sidebar menu is also presenting a professional look, and this is search option. So this is fine. Theme is really good, and we can use it for our news or magazine website. So let us start the installation. For this I have a fresh installation of WordPress, in which the 2021 WordPress theme has been installed, and I got the theme pack as well. In the theme pack I have child theme, documentation, licensing, plugins are here. So most of plugins has been bundled with in the theme pack, and XML data is here, so we can even import the data manually, and this is the theme file, and this is the theme file, and child theme file is also here. So for installing the Zox News, we have to go on the appearance theme section of WordPress and click on add new, upload theme, choose file, and here you need to choose zox-new.zip file, and if you are having direct access on your server, you can upload the same in the WP content themes folder. I'm doing the same, it will save some time, and both activities are same. You can use either WordPress interface or you can upload directly on the server. I have chosen to upload on the server, and the theme file size is 6.74 MB in size, and it is very lightweight theme, and this is why it is working very fast on the website. And AMP version is also available in this theme, so it is really going to work fast on the live website. So, and don't get confused, you can use this interface for uploading the theme, and you can directly upload on your server, as I told you. So let it be completed, and once the progress bar turns green with 100%, we can go back and extract the uploaded file, and the extraction outcome is this Jocks News folder, in which we got all the theme components. Folders and files are here. Now we can delete the zip one. It is not required now, it is just consuming the server space. Now go to the theme section again, and now we have the Zox News as another theme option. Let us check the details. This is Zox News version 3.8.0, and Zox News helps you go from blogger to boss by giving you a wide range of tools and options to give you the most professional looking and functioning news site on the net. Okay, well, that is very wonderful, and let us activate it. And upon activation, it is saying theme is activated and visit site. So this is the basic look of Zox News website, and it is of course without any plugin and demo content. So at this stage we need to install the plugins and the demo content. For this we have to go in the dashboard and let us check. So it is something amazing for me that this theme does not redirect for installing plugins, and no plugins alert is here. So this is already installed in my installation, and plugins has been given in the theme pack. So what we can do, we can upload the plugins one by one from the theme pack itself. So plugins has been given, and there are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 plugins. So I will install all, upload all these plugins, and so I'll choose to upload plugins by directly on the server, and you can even upload the plugins. So I will also do the same for you. However, I'm not very much comfortable in this, in fact. So I used to handy to use the server. So I have just installed the AMP plugin and activate plugin. Another is upload plugin, choose file, MVP social buttons. Okay, just do as I am doing, installed and activate the plugin one by one. Third one is one click demo import. Okay, activate plugin, add new, upload plugin, choose file, reviewer, something null is here. So okay, I'm just installing this as well. Click on add new. The post slider, install now. activate plugin. Next is so we have already installed the reviewer and the post slider, and the sticky sidebar is here. Activate plugin, add new, upload, and the Jocks ALP, the 7th and last one. So now let us check the plugins. All plugins has been installed. So there are 2 updates as well. We can update this AMP and one-click demo import, and now it should be 8. One is already installed by me. 1 2 3 4 5 6, and any one is missing, I believe. Let us check. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It should be 7. AMP, MVP, social buttons. I need to match one by one. AMP is here, MVP social buttons is here, one click demo import is also here, the reviewer is here, the post slider is here, the sticky sidebar is also, and Jocks ALP. Okay, so Jocks ALP, I don't know why it is not visible. So now I can try to reload that if it is missing from my end. Okay, so I have installed the Zox ALP as well. This is the auto load post, in fact, and now it is here. So all plugins has been installed, and the theme was already installed. So what we will do, and this is our website, and it is still without any demo content, and plugins has been installed. So we have a target website like this. So at this stage we definitely need the demo content, and for this we have to go in the appearance section and import demo data is here, and this is the interface, and there is only one button, import demo data is here. So I just click on that, and the importing has been started. Let us wait and check what happens, and it got done in just few seconds. And let us refresh the page, and what a wonderful activities are here. Just the background image has not been provided, and in fact not any image has been provided, but all the contents are here, and we got our website complete, and every features are here. So we definitely don't need the demo images, because we are finally going to use our own images, and rest of things has been given in the demo content, and it is really wonderful, and you have nothing to do much. Just start putting your original content and your website will be ready. And this is the outcome website, and now I'll show you the options, additional options what we got in the WordPress installation. And so these things are common as in WordPress themes, customize, and nothing is here. So I assume all things are available in the customize section itself. So for blog or news website you don't need any additional feature. In fact, all areas has been configured in the theme pages, and this is the basic settings, colors, background image. So you can put your background image as in the demo website is here. So background image for this, you can put the background image here, and menus, budgets, homepage settings, and rest of things are here. And this is the another options called Zox News options. I was wondering where to upload logo and all those such things, so all rest of things are available here. So Zox News options. So now we have all the controls of our website, like colors, fonts, homepage settings, trending post setting, article setting, auto load post setting, Google AMP setting, category, social media, ad management, footer info, backup and reset. So these are the huge options available for controlling the website, and you can of course upload the logos and logo from here. And since all the features has been given, so you can permanently use all these features for handling your news or magazine website, and these are enough, I feel. So you don't have to need any additional coding, or you don't need any additional skills for doing this, and you can simply control your website. So everything is here, and we got a wonderful website in this activity. And if you are having any question regarding this theme and installation and demo import like thing, so you can definitely write in the comment section of this video, and I'm also going to give the link of my website where you can get this theme. Just subscribe this channel and get this theme. And if you are coming first time on this channel, also ring the bell and don't forget to subscribe. I'm going to bring wonderful themes, plugin and utilities for you. So be in touch. Thank you.